The topic of this presentation is how to get started with your research. Before you've written a word, before you've started researching any resources, make sure you understand your assignment. By understand, I mean, among other things, you need to understand exactly what your professor is expecting you to produce. For instance, is this an informational project where you're to pick a topic and do research on it just to find the facts, names, places, concepts, etc., and then just report that back into a paper or a project? Is it an opinion essay where your professor is looking for you to put your own personal feelings into your topic? In an analytical or an argumentative research paper, you're expected to create a thesis statement, which is some sort of defensible statement, and then you spend that paper defending whatever your statement is. Or is it of another type entirely? Some advice for topic picking. Your research will be more interesting and less arduous if you pick a topic that interests you, or if it's something you already know even a little bit about, if it's something you want to learn more about, or if it's a topic that relates to your career goals. And research is also more interesting if it's a current event, if it's something that you feel affects your life directly. If you're stuck, you can Google college research topic lists to find lists of potential topics. Many academic libraries create lists of interesting or quote-unquote hot topics that can be a nice seed for you to get going on your research project. Once you pick the topic, narrow it down. You can narrow it down by brainstorming, just taking your topic and thinking about it and trying to find some interesting facet or maybe some subtopic within your topic. You can narrow it down by population groups. For example, if your topic is club drugs, you may narrow it down to club drug use among rural high school students in northern New York. Or you can narrow it down by news categories, such as club drug use by politicians, club drug use by sports figures. And if that doesn't work, you can always just start Googling. Google your topic, see what's trending on the web and what other people are writing about it. Right-size your topic. After you've picked your topic, you need to do a little preliminary research. And we'll talk more about how to do this research in the next module. But if you're doing your research and you're searching your topic and you're finding you're getting too many hits, you need to narrow your topic. If you're getting too few or no hits, you probably need to broaden your topic. And just remember, it's normal and sometimes advisable to tweak and or change entirely your topic. Just some final words about picking a topic. This is an area of your paper that you really need to have a good rapport with your professor. Discuss your ideas for a topic with your professor, especially if you're having a hard time deciding if your topic is right-sized, or if you're having difficulty narrowing it down, even though you know you need to narrow it down. They can help you do that. And remember, your professor should have some idea and hopefully some input about your topic before you hand in the final draft. Definitely the bigger the project, the more important that your rapport with your professor is. But in general, this process is made much easier if you keep in contact with your professor, because of course you have to remember they're the one who's going to read it and they're the one who's going to grade it.